Managing flight upgrades in Navan is easier than you think. In this video, I'll break down how to efficiently navigate this feature to maximize your travel experience, whether you're new to the software or just trying to optimize your business trips. Stay tuned, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to secure upgrades and take full advantage of Navan's features. Plus, you can try the software for free through the link below with an exclusive bonus just for you. Navan is designed to streamline the booking process, making corporate travel seamless for users. When it comes to managing flight upgrades, Navan offers a powerful system to ensure that you're always getting the best value for your travels. You don't need to manually hunt for upgrades or worry about missing opportunities. The software automatically scans for flight upgrades and will present them directly to you. This means you can easily compare upgrade options for flights and make informed decisions without extra hassle. One key feature of Navan's flight upgrade system is its integration with various airline loyalty programs. If you're a member of frequent flyer programs, Navan can automatically apply your loyalty status to get you the best upgrade offers. This means you won't have to manually enter your membership details every time you book a flight. Plus, Navan's smart technology is capable of finding upgrades based on your travel preferences, such as specific seat classes or services, and will recommend the best options. Managing flight upgrades doesn't stop at just booking the right seat. Navan allows you to view and adjust your flight upgrades even after your booking is confirmed. If something better becomes available, the system will notify you and allow you to make a change with minimal effort. This flexibility is ideal for users who want to stay on top of their travel options and ensure they're always getting the most comfortable and affordable experience. For business travelers, Navan also ensures that flight upgrades are aligned with your company's travel policy. The software can be customized to reflect budget limits or travel preferences, ensuring that you're not just securing upgrades, but doing so in a way that aligns with your company's goals. And because Navan tracks all bookings and upgrades in one dashboard, it's easy to monitor travel expenses and keep everything in check. If you're wondering how to make the most of these flight upgrade features, Navan's intuitive interface guides you every step of the way. Whether you're booking for yourself or a team, you can trust that the software will help manage upgrades efficiently. To summarize, managing flight upgrades in Navan is a straightforward process that saves you time, maximizes your travel benefits, and aligns with company policies. Plus, with its intelligent integration of frequent flyer programs, automatic upgrade suggestions, and real-time notifications, it's a travel management tool that keeps working for you even after booking. And remember, by using the link in the description below, you can try Navan for free and unlock an exclusive extended trial, giving you even more time to explore its benefits firsthand. Don't miss out on this opportunity to optimize your travel upgrades.